Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I am going to show you a delicious recipe to make use of those leftover chapatis or rotis. It's a quick and easy to make for breakfast or an evening snack. So let's get started. Here in a kadai, I'm heating 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and once the oil is hot, goes in half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once they crackle, goes in a slit green chilli and 2 large-sized onions which have thinly sliced. Now let the onions cook till they turn soft. Once the onions are done, goes in salt as per taste, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Now give all this a mix and make sure to cook them till the raw smell reduces. Should not take more than 15 seconds. Once the spices are done, goes in a tablespoon of soya sauce. Do add if you like to add, otherwise you can skip this. Once the soya sauce is cooked well, goes in the leftover chapatis or rotis. Here I've roughly chopped them. You can cut them into small pieces or also use a food processor to crumble them. Now give all this a mix. Do not worry if you see the rotis going soggy. Once the rotis are done, time to add the eggs. Here I've taken 4 eggs and whisked it well. You can also add up to 5 eggs. Now add the eggs over the rotis, then a pinch of pepper powder. Now start scrambling the eggs on medium heat. Once you see the eggs are 90% cooked, scramble them more and then on high heat, stir fry it till you see the mixture not getting stuck to the spoon, which means the eggs and the rotis are cooked. Now you can see this is well cooked and it's time to serve. I serve this for breakfast. You can also serve it for evening snack. For my little one, I use this mixture as a stuffing to the sandwich. I spread some cheese spread on the bread and between 2 slices of bread, applied this mixture and served it for breakfast. He liked it very much. I hope you found this video helpful. Do give this a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.